Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Today I'm going to show you how you can set up Zabbix in just 10 to 20 seconds. Yes, it is possible. So as usual, I've created the automated script for you guys. So usually, Zabbix installation take some time, and as far as the Zabbix is concerned, you are aware that Zabbix is a monitoring tool and it is highly used in enterprise organization, and also it is heavily used in the cloud environment as well. So later on, in my later videos, I'm going to give you a little bit theory regarding the Zabbix and the configuration with regard to the Zabbix, but this video is regard to the specific Zabbix installation and setup. So what you can do, either you can set up this Zabbix installation on your local laptop machine or server in your local environment. It will work for any environment and it will work for any cloud environment. So I've created two EC2 instances. One is Ubuntu and other is Amazon Linux. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take SSH in to the Ubuntu machine first, and I'm going to show you how you can simply run the script and everything is going to be ready for you. So let's begin. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys and just increase the size of the shell. So navigate to desktop and I'm going to do SSH into Zabbix dash demo, and I'm going to use the Ubuntu, which is the default user for Ubuntu machine. So simply press yes. Okay, so I'm going to do excuse me, sudo -i, and I'm going to use the vim editor and call this zabbix.shell. You can call this anything. Okay, let me just uh, call this zabbix shell. So I'm going to press insert, simply copy the script, and this script is going to be provided to you guys in the description of the video, and I will upload this to my uh, GitHub repository. So you will get all the stuff from here. Everything is automated. If you need Terraform, anything else, you can take scripts and automation Terraform stuff from there as well. And there are other also Docker related stuff, AWS related automated stuff is available there. So I'm continuously updating these repositories. So if you watch my videos, simply you have to just watch the video, and that's it. You just go navigate to this that particular repository and simply copy the script and use it in your environment. So I'm going to call is shall make it executable, and it is executable. Now what I'm going to do is to simply run this. So that's all you need. Copy the script and make it executable and run it. So what it is going to do, it is going to install the Docker in this Ubuntu machine and set up everything for us. So let it run, and I'm going to show you how much time it will take. I guess it will take about 20 second to 30 second. Yeah. So while it is installing, let me just, in fact, definitely it will not take a while. So what this script do is going to set up 4 container for you, and these containers are interlinked. We are going to use the MySQL in this particular Zabbix, and we are going to use the persistent volumes for the MySQL persistency, and everything is going to be set up in Docker in an automated fashion. And you see, let me do Docker ps-a. So we have 4 containers up and running, and simply what I'm going to do is to copy the IP address and navigate to this IP address, and you have to wait for a while. So because container just started, so refresh it or retry it because it will take a while. Let me also show you do docker ps hyphen e. So don't get frustrated that it is not paid, but it will be a paid because the process done so quickly. You see, so it is not able to straight away take the stuff or inherit the stuff from MySQL. You see, by default the user is admin and simply put as Zabbix, password in small, Zabbix. So this is the default user for Zabbix. This is how quickly you can set up this Zabbix server in your environment, and you see the current time is exactly the same as my computer. So it will uh, be really good if you set up this in your environment. And similarly, now I'm going to show you how you can set up on Amazon Linux. Same process, simply navigate. Let me just shut it down. Simply navigate to your shell and take SSH session into the Amazon Linux machine. And as I told you in my start of videos, this will be um, work for every cloud or every machine if you want to set up on your local environment, and everything will be done as I shown you guys in a similar fashion in your environment. So let me just zoom in a bit. So I have the excuse me SSH logged in session in this Amazon machine. I'm going to call this zabbix.shell. Simply copy the script. As far as the parameters are concerned, you can modify as far as the database username, whatever you want to do, and the MySQL password. I give this 1237 45678 9 password. So you can modify according to your requirements. So I mean, it is pretty simple. If you just copy the script, you will get an idea, and this is how simple way to set up the Zabbix server. There are videos, that Zabbix is really complex to set up, but I made this really easy for you guys. So it is a production ready setup. So simply use it in your environment, and later on I am going to show you the different powerful feature of Zabbix and how you can integrate Zabbix with the other tools like Grafana, which is the UI for uh, visualization of your metrics. So that would be everything is going to be automated in future videos, but definitely I will provide you more theory with regard to the Zabbix, how what Zabbix can do for your environment, and how Zabbix can be really helpful in the cloud environment as well. So this is a totally open source software. If you wanna go for the enterprise version, you can also take advantage of that. Let me do docker ps-a. So we will have a latest Zabbix up and running for us. Let me show you. This is the 4.4.8, and this is the latest release. As I'm fetching the official Zabbix Docker containers. So let me also copy the IP address of this and see whether it is running on this as well or not. So you see, it is up and running. And let me also put the same stuff here, Zabbix. So you see guys, this is how easy it is to deploy Zabbix server in just 20 to 30 seconds. So excuse me. That's it from my side. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for all automated scripts and automation to Terraform to Bash scripting. And definitely in future, I will also cover the Python as well. And along with that, I will also go for the Lambda stuff as well. So definitely that would be a part of my future videos. And also I'm thinking to launch a Kubernetes series for you guys and Docker related advanced Docker series. So basic is available, but in that particular series you will get more advanced stuff and in an automated fashion. Thank you. Have a nice day. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel as much as you can, and press the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.